Salam, young man. Your name?
Wa alaikum assalam. My name is Sayyid Ayan Ali Naqvi.
Sayyid Ayan Ali Naqvi. And how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16. How do you balance between what must be, sixth form now and reciting?
So we have daily recitations at home. We do milahs, majlis at home. So along with studies, I enjoy reciting with my family, with my brother, with my uncle, and my cousins as well. So
amazing. So you got the whole family here?
Yeah, everyone's there. Everyone's
Shout
there.
out, whole family. There you go. And what are you going to be reciting tonight?
I'm going to be reciting a naat on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Naat, could you translate that in English?
No.
That would be a...
appraisal. Appraisal.
Appraisal, okay, naat. Okay, fantastic. Appraisal of the Holy Prophet. Peace be upon him and his family. Go ahead.
Salawat. I joined the Shia Voice because I felt that I wanted a stage where I could express myself, express my passion for the Ahl al-Bayt. And I think me reciting on there, up on the stage, will encourage many other young Muslims, young Shias to recite as well. And I think it's a place for me. It's the place for me because I'm always reciting in milahs, majlis. So I believe that the Shia Voice is the place for me to express how I feel. Ya Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, Ya Muhammad.
Shabash.
Ya Muhammad, ऐसी इज्जत आपने पाई के बस या मुहम्मद ऐसी इज्जत आपने पाई के बस की शबे असरा खुदा ने वो पजीर आई के बस या मोहम्मद एक पल में मुस्तफा को अर्श पर बुलवा लिया एक पल में मुस्तफा को अर्श पर बुलवा लिया अपने बंदे की खुदा को ऐसी याद आई के बस गिनते गिनते थक गई तारों की नाजुक उंगलियां गिनते गिनते थक गई तारों की नाजुक उंगलियां मुस्तफा के है ज़मीं पर इतने शैदाई के बस या मुहम्मद मैंने जलती धूप में जब छेड़ दी नाते रसूल मैंने जलती धूप में जब छेड़ दी नाते रसूल भाई रहमतों की हर तरफ ऐसी घटा छाई के बस या
बस I think I've already found my winner. MashaAllah.
The highlight of today was the actual performance, I believe. The comments I received from the judges, especially Sayyid Misam, brother, and I was quite happy to receive such comments, and I'm very, very uplifted by it.
Look at that.
I don't think. So I have a request. It's not gonna affect your audition. I just want to hear some manqabat from you.
हुसैन बांट रहे हैं निजात ले जाओ
शाबाश
हुसैन बांट रहे हैं निजात ले जाओ कुछ आंसुओं के बस कुछ आंसुओं के बस कायनात ले जाओ हुसैन बांट रहे हैं निजात ले जाओ ये करबला है ये मोजिज़ नुमा की बस्ती है ये करबला है ये मोजिज़ नुमा की बस्ती
Ahsant. So it seems like we have a winner so far, but I'd still love to get the feedback of Sayyid Maitham, please. We'll start with you.
Really, I'm at a loss of words right now. You know, if we were in Karachi, I would expect this kind of talent. But we're living in UK here, the Western world. You know, some of the greatest reciters don't have the type of voice you have today. MashaAllah. And to be reciting in front of people around me, myself, I think you did a phenomenal job. Like I said earlier, I think I found my winner. Nara Haidari! I think you deserved it. I think you deserved it. MashaAllah.
I want to go to you, Sayyid Jalal, because, you know, Sayyid Maitham did mention voice. Please tell us why.
Sayyid Ayan Ali Naqwi, beautiful recitation, very calm, you're very relaxed. That is very positive point of your recitation. And you started with good pitch. I like the thing you have done. That is very important because you find your pitch. It is very important in the recitation. But still, I was waiting for your higher pitch. When you do like this, you have to promise that in the next performance you do this. I'll wait because you can. You started proper pitch. And I was waiting. Yalla, do it. Inshallah, you will do it, inshallah. MashaAllah. Thank you.
That's the reason I asked him to recite Manqabat for Maula Ali. Because usually it's higher. But you recited Maula Hussain, that's fine.
Dr. Shabir, would love to go to you.
16-year-old Ayan, is that right? Yeah. Ayan, mashallah. I don't have a notepad and pen like the other judges, but if I did, the only word I'd write on there is flawless. It was amazing from beginning to end, the words, the pronunciation, the variations, the way you just threw in the occasional variation, went up and down. Amazing. And you're going to have a very bright future, a very, 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 very amazing career, inshallah. And at the end of this show, I'll give you my mobile number. And if you ever need any advice, anything, just hit me up, okay?
There you go. Mobile number as well. Why not? Mullah Nazar?
بارك الله فيك سيد عيان علي نقوي. Sayyid Ayan, if we don't find you in this program, so there is no benefit of making this program. For what? For what? Wallahi, if we don't find him, so why we are making this program? But I have just one comment on Sayyid Jalal. I'm sorry, Sayyid Jalal. You are Ustad, yeah? Look, play in your place, in your area, very good, is better than going to not your area and play wrong. What he said was very excellent. It's good. It's very good to go high. But if it's your area, if it's not area, don't go. Don't go. Play in your area. This is your area. Okay, relax. Khalas, that's your area. Play in your area very well, better than going in other area but not playing very well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, but Mullah Nazar, he took us to the sea, but he didn't give us the water. But we drank the water, plenty of water.
16.
I was waiting, I was thirsty. I was thirsty.
I drank a lot of water.
Excellent, excellent.
Say it, 16 years old. Yeah. It's still, it's still not.
No, inshallah, I think he'll do it in the next one, the next round, if he makes it through, inshallah.
Sorry, Sayyid Mason, isn't it remarkable that at 16 he's aware of that world?
It's unbelievable.
I mean, how long have you grown up with this? I mean, since birth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, literally since birth. You've been reciting your family, parents.
Mashallah.
That makes sense. As soon
Mashallah,
as he said,
Mawla.
"Look, I want you to change it over," he just went into his bank of memories in terms of the and then went into his phone. Was like, "Yeah, I'm going to do this one." So it was very, very top class. Personally, for me, very, very good. Thank you. Lastly, Dr. Sayyid Ammar.
Yeah, I've lectured in Karachi and I've lectured in Bombay, and I would find it very normal for you to be on the same flyer, to tell you the truth. You've got that ability to be the act before, the act after, whether it's qasida, whether it's a marthiya, whether it's a noha. I think you could be a master of all of them. And I have a quote for you. This is my own Sahih Sayyid Ammar in honor of your recital. When the tweed waistcoat comes out, Sayyid Ayan does not mess about.
Brilliant. On that positive note, please put your hands together for Sayyid Ayan Ali. Thank you very much.
Sayyid, wow, I've not heard commentary from the judges like that before. Sayyid Mason literally said he thinks he's found his guy. What do you reckon about that?
I was very... I have no words, to be honest.
They even said we'll see you next round, and it's so subhanallah, beautiful voice. No one expected that from a 16-year-old. So may Allah bless you and continue to bless you.